Hi everybody, I'm Maddie. This week we're going to be talking about the warranty on our trees and shrubs. Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about warranty on trees and shrubs. So in Wilson's at the greenhouse, when you purchase a tree or a shrub, you have the opportunity to purchase Mike's root compound with it. When purchasing Mike's, if you purchase the correct amount and use it when planting, you will receive a 5-year warranty. This is good for all of that winter kill and just when shrubs go into extreme shocks and they don't make it. So then we would offer a one-time replacement on that dead shrub. So to begin the process, what you'll have to do is wait until June 1st to begin that process. The reason for this is because we like to eliminate that period where trees are still in dormancy. It is spring outside, but trees can still wait up until June 1st to start popping out leaves. They might appear to be dead, but we like to wait until June 1st to make sure that if they haven't come out by then, they might be dead and you want to begin that warranty process. So anytime after June 1st, you can submit an email to 4info@wilsonslifestyle.ca. That's number 4info@wilsonslifestyle.ca. And just let them know that you would like to begin a warranty claims process on your tree and shrub. They'll reply with a short questionnaire that's going to help you as our customer know that your shrub is indeed dead. We want to do that before you dig it up and bring it in, because sometimes trees are alive and we can help you by filling out that questionnaire know that they are actually still alive, and just to wait, don't disturb it quite yet. If we do see that it is indeed dead and you've passed that questionnaire, we'll let you know, yeah, bring it in for inspection. We'll take a quick look at it, make sure it was planted right, make sure it was watered right, and taken care of correctly, and then we'll give you that replacement. So we replace that exact dollar value in our tree and shrub yard, and you don't have to take the exact same one. You can take anything else in the tree and shrub yard for that same dollar value. If you're not happy with what we've got in stock, you don't see exactly what you like, we'll give you a Trees and Shrubs gift card that doesn't expire and can be used up to any date. So it's a one-time replacement, and that replacement shrub or tree will not have warranty on it. But otherwise, yeah, you can pick out anything in the store. So we just ask that you do submit that claims process to prevent you from digging up a shrub that is alive. We want to help you determine if it's alive or dead before you dig it up out of the ground. I hope this information is going to be helpful for you going forward when submitting your warranty claims process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.